New Chinese theme pack for Xiaomi Global. Liquid glass effect. Transparent music album art. Beautiful icon pack. Settings UI dark mode and light mode. Dialer UI. HyperOS 3 Control Center. Home screen wallpaper auto change. Theme name install on global with my backup file. Double tap to change wallpapers. Dark mode icon pack. Control center. Home screen wallpapers change. Theme name in Chinese theme store. Animated lock screen. Swipe down to custom clock. Light mode icon pack. All themes include one backup file and description. You can get it to install on your global devices. Tutorial video. Thanks for watching video.